To perform any type of search on the recorder, we'll come to the bottom left and click on Search. Now, we have three options. We can perform basic search, smart search, or we could perform AI search depending on what we want. To perform the basic search, note that this can be done concurrently on all the cameras or a number of cameras of your choice. Let's say you want to perform basic search on cameras 1 to 4, or channels 1 to 4. You go ahead and select them, and as you can see, we already have the video footage for those cameras. If you click on play, you'll be able to get the video footage of those cameras, and everything starts playing together on the screen above. You can click different sections of the clips to view the footage at that timestamp. You can also use the icons below to stop, fast forward, cut a video clip, save, perform manual capture, adjust the audio, and a lot more options. This is how to perform basic search. Now to perform smart search. To perform smart search, we'll come to the fourth menu, which is labeled Smart. To perform smart search, note that you can only perform smart search on one camera at a time. Let's say, for example, camera 3 or channel 3. You can see on the bar below that once we selected a camera, you already have these blue bars showing, which indicate smart search. If you look at the colors we have here, the green is for the normal search, the yellow is for motion, red is for input-output for alarms, purple is for PIR, and so on. The blue is for smart search. Now you can see the different smart search timestamps for this camera. If we click on play, the entire footage starts playing. And after a few seconds, the smart search option, represented by the person running, will be available for us to select. Once we click on that, we just need to clear all, then select the part of the screen where you want to perform the smart search. For example, let's say we do something like this. We click on Search, and now it's going to run through the smart search timestamps. The smart search is going to be performed in the rectangle we just drew. All the motions and everything detected in that region would be shown. This is how to perform smart search. Now to perform AI search, we come to the last menu option, which is labeled AI. We can perform face detection search, license plate search, human and vehicle search, and a lot more. For example, if we want to perform any particular search, all we need to do is select the particular date we want, select the start and end time periods, select the channels we want to perform the search on, and they are all going to be displayed. Let's say, for example, for the date we select the 9th. The time we just leave it at what it currently is. Then come down below and click on Search. It's going to pop up all the faces that were captured during that time period. The same thing can be done for the rest, including human and vehicle, etc. This is how to perform AI search.